Okay, today in iTry we're going to be fixing an iPhone 11. It's a cracked screen and we're going to be replacing it with a digitizer. Okay, so I'm going to open this package up. Hopefully it's the right package. What is that? What the hell is that? Anthrax! Ew. I don't know what that is. Hopefully it's not anthrax. Okay, so here we go. Take that out. Let's see what we got in here. Open this. It's going to be on all sides. I'm just going to use my knife. Like my knife? It's awesome, right? Okay. Sorry if my fingers are a little dirty. Oh, wait. Sorry if my fingers are a little dirty, but yeah. Alright, so here we go. They give me tools to work with. Little tweezers. I do have my own suction cup here that I'll be using. And they give me, this is the digitizer, little prime prick and wipies to clean the lens, and then this is the adhesive that I'm going to be using, and then a lens protector, which I will be installing as well. Alright, so I'm going to heat this up really well, not burn it, but I'm going to heat it up, and then I'm going to try to pry it off. I have an iTry assistant. She's an apprentice. She's learning things, so she's trying as well. Everything that she does is going to be new to her. And so I'm going to direct her on what to do, and she's going to start doing the work. And the more complicated things, or the more risky things, I'm going to do. So if I damage it, it'll be my fault, not hers. I'm going to have her take a seat. And the first thing we're going to do is take the two screws off from the back over here. See them right there? So you're going to use the appropriate screwdriver. Just go ahead. Let me show you a helpful trick.
Sure.
Hold it like this in your hand. Not like this. With that hand. Put this in your palm. Okay. Go like that. Good. Okay. Put those in the pocket. So we don't lose them. Alright. Good. Alright, so now we're going to heat it up. So, back this up a little. Turn on the power to the heat. Little switch down there. Yep. Okay, it's on max right now, so you can take it off and it'll start heating up. Yeah. And all we're going to do is just keep going around the unit, trying to take the adhesive and loosening it up. That should have been out.
Let's get this. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. Yep, I think it's hot enough.
Yeah. And now I want to try to turn this. Okay, so we're going to do this. Okay, so you're going to open that up.
Oh. Do we? Okay.
Got it? Open it. That suction it on there. Easy, easy. You don't want to bend it long.
Sorry.
Okay. Now try to pull up. And I'm going to come with this. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Nope, let's see, nothing. Let me see. There it goes. See?
There it goes.
See how it just popped up? Hold that there.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, oh, no.
Oops.
Not to push hard, just
Sorry.
right there. Just enough for me to get in here. Get this.
This poor phone.
Yeah, it's in bad shape. We'll probably need to heat it more up over here on this side.
Okay.
Let me get this over here.
Ooh. What's that stuff?
Okay.
Don't damage anything inside.
And we need to heat it up more.
There's a piece of glass right here.
Okay. Heat this up over here.
Ooh.
There it goes. Okay, so it goes off. Now, this part here, what I do is I usually just take it and flip it over. This part's supposed to come with it, I think. I don't know why this piece didn't come off with this. It like came out in little sections. As you can see, it's like it broke up into different films. It's supposed to be one unit like this is here. So I'm going to have to physically remove it. So this part here, yeah.
There you go.
And I was like, why this is still here? This should be all open. Okay, so yeah, I got it now.
All part of I'll try, right?
Yeah. Got some of the adhesive here. As you can see, it's still kind of attached. So, but we got it off. That's how it's supposed to come off in one unit. But I don't know why it did it the way it did. So this is all not needed. So what I want to do now, I need this lens because I got to transfer it over. And I need to take these screws out. You can see here, I don't know if you can zoom in and see this. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, when I was popping these off and digging in here, you have to be careful that you're not going to snag onto something like this, or like I did right here. You see this? I probably snagged this up. So that's not good. I mean, it's an easy fix. All I got to do is bend it back down. But you really have to be mindful of where you're poking your tools when it comes to things like this. Okay, see, that's an easy fix, but that could have been something more serious. So now we're going to move on to the next phase. which is going to be the removal of these 3 screws right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are all the same screws. There are 4 screws right here that need to be removed. Now this one here is the special screw. And these ones are regular Phillips screws. Phillips head screws. This is the only one that's different. It's really tiny too. So I'm going to have my apprentice do that part. I'll bring it in. Just stay right there. Okay, so you see the little Y. There we go. Alright, so right here you got this one here, this one, and this one. Here, do me a favor, try this. Put this hand right on top of that. Yeah, put your palm right there, okay?
Okay.
You got it balanced?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, here, watch. You got it on like your knuckle kind of like area, and then you can take this hand. See how that works? That's what this part's for, the spinny thing. To give you that leverage to be able to turn it the other way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Yeah. There you go. Much better?
Yeah.
So you can just grab it up. Alright, good. Now you're going to move on to the next plate. Okay, which has 4 or 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Okay. Alright, so the next one is over here. Let me move down that way. And there's 4 of them over there, but not a pepper thing. So, yeah, Phillips, Phillips, and Phillips. Then over here, this little tiny one that uses the Y key. First, let me put this so it's stable. Okay. I'm not sure if it's the same or different from the other ones. I'm just going to take it and put it there. Now I'll let you do the 3 Phillips, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
So I just pop this off.
Just leave it there for now.
Okay.
The reason why you take this one off because this is to the battery, so you're just killing any power that might be there. Now I'm not sure, but you might be able to like use maybe like the tweezers if you're not too, if you're not too sure if you can do it with your fingers. So I'm gonna put that in there. See, just popped it off.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one here. This one's proven to be a little bit more difficult, but there it goes. Poof. Okay. So now that's free. Now this part, now you can take this out. Okay. Slide this way. And that is free. We also need this to go over there, so this has got to come out. Which I don't know, maybe I'll use this. it off.
Huh?
Where'd it go?
I have no idea.
Okay. It did sound like it went into the... Yeah, there it is. It did sound like it fell into that area. It just slides on and off of this part. That will go on to the new digitizer. So this is now trash. Yeah, something small and flat right here. So just come across here. We're going to take the adhesive off. This would be great if it all just came. Oh, that was nice. Now it's putting together the new digitizer. Alright, so we have this out. I'm going to put this back in here, but the first thing I want to do is take this off. Okay. That comes off of there. And then the adhesive, okay, you have two sides. One's for the adhesive side, the other side is not. It only goes on one way. If you look at the box here, it kind of lines up with the box. I'll show you right now. So it basically goes on one way. So you see the two lens holes. If you try to put it on the other way, nothing will line up. So if I try to put it on this way, this actually goes on the lens holder, so you don't want that. So what I do is I peel this part up first. Okay. Try not to touch the adhesive. I'll move the digitizer out of my way, and I just line it up like this. The next part is to take this part off, and once you take this off, you really have to be cautious that you don't build up too much dust, because the adhesive will lose its adhesion. So the next thing to do is peel this up over here. Like so. Nice and easy. Okay. There you go, now you got the adhesive on there. Now we put these back on the tabs. Okay, so we start with this here, because this is the easiest. There now. Now I'll let you put on the 3 Phillips screws with this one. Okay. That's the plus screws.
That's these screws?
Yeah.
Not these ones.
Nope. Yep.
These ones.
You can look at them to make sure. You can take a look at the screw. Make sure it's the right. Alright, so that's all 4 now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so if you want to try to... Now you have to be careful with this part. Remember, the adhesive's on here. So when you're working with this, you don't want to get a lot of material touching it. what we're gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it over. Okay, put this back there. Alright, now we're gonna go back to the plates. Let me get them started. And I'll connect this. On there. This is a little bit more difficult. I don't know if you would have an easier time than me putting these on. You know how we pop them off? Well, they gotta get put back on. You want to give it a try?
Sure. Okay, so I don't know.
Hold on.
Yeah, you're gonna have to like walk me through like
I'm coming.
how to line them up.
I'm just zooming in right
Oh,
now.
okay, sorry.
Okay. Give me a minute. Okay, good. Alright, so what you're gonna do, if you look over here, you see this here?
Mm-hmm. So they have to be lined up with these?
Mm-hmm. See this little hole right here?
Mm-hmm.
This little bump goes inside that little hole.
Sheesh.
This one goes to this one,
Okay.
and this one goes to that one. So you have to move it, kind of feel for it, and then push down when you think you got it in place. Okay? Don't push down until you're sure that you got it in place, because if you bend the pins or the metal,
Yeah.
don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Just put it like here. Let me show you.
How is this supposed to reach all the way over here?
That's why you're using that as a prop. See? Yeah. So you take this one. Okay. See, maybe it's better if we propped it up like this. Okay. You take this. Yeah. Kind of prop it like.
I can hold it and you could probably try to line them up.
Yeah. Okay. So what you do is you take this and you kind of feel. See how I just felt it go boop in place? Watch. Look. Boop. You feel that?
Yeah.
So you go like that, and you go around till you feel it feels like it like falls into a hole. So wait, yeah, go ahead. I can hold it, and you can use your right hand.
Yeah.
Let me hold it, you use your right hand.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
There we
There
go.
you go. Nice. Nicely done. So now, what we do is we start putting the plates back on them. Okay. Let's get this where it needs to be. Yeah, let you do it right here. It's like dancing around the head of the screwdriver. I already have it lined up. You just got to be easy sliding it in the hole so you don't knock it out or out of whack. And you want to be careful of the adhesives. Alright, now for Mr. Eel. I'm going to lay this down now. Slide this in. like operation. Alright, now before I finalize it, what I want to do is I want to power it on.
Make sure it turned on.
Yeah, make sure the screen comes on and everything is good. You want to power it on for me while I hold the screen up.
Yeah, it's just fine here.
Mm-hmm.
I've had experience with iPhones before.
Okay. Oh, I don't got that. Okay. The screen's loading. I don't have the card in there. We got the Apple logo. The used Apple logo because somebody took a bite out of it. And there's your screen. So it looks like it's good. Okay. Okay, so here's our screen. I just want to make sure everything's working. Okay. That's good. I'm going to go to... Yeah, okay. Go to your camera. Okay, on the camera. I want to make sure the lens is still good. Okay. Looks nice, right?
Okay.
Pretty. Okay, so we're going to power it back off now.
Power off.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, now that we know it's all good, everything's screwed in. Now I just put this back on to the adhesive.
Now you gotta put the SIM
Yeah.
card and the screws back in.
Yeah.
And you wanna do the
I got the
screws
two
first.
screws here that come back in. You want to do the screws for me?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'll get up and let you do this. And then you can put the SIM card back in it.
Okay. Okay.
Alright. Now I'll take over from here. I'll put the SIM card in.
Well,
Put some more over there.
does it go this way?
Mm-hmm. Just slide it in. That's it. Alright, now I'm going to put the screen protector on there. This is a little bit more difficult. You should have a very clean area when doing this. What's this?
It's in here. No, it's not mine. It's right
Okay.
there.
Alright, so here's the screen. So I'm going to turn on the screen. Okay. Okay. Let it load up. See? I'll let you put in your passcode. So now we'll just test a few things. Okay, first we'll go here. Put this out. Alright. Just want to make sure that everything's still working correctly. Let's see, reason what it's working. Alright. And get out of here. Now we'll just check your camera. Make sure the lens looks good. Alright. Looks good. This is iTry. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notifications.